Why don't senior citizens need a fancy jar opener? Because they have their grandkids' grip. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best jar opener for seniors. Tip 1. Consider the design. Look for a jar opener that doesn't require much strength or dexterity to use. There are a variety of designs such as lever-based openers, one-hand jar openers, or multi-opener tools. Consider what will be easiest for the senior to use. Tip 2. Understand the materials used. It's recommended to choose a jar opener made of durable, heavy-duty materials such as stainless steel or hard plastic. This will ensure a long-lasting product that won't break easily. Tip 3. Look for an ergonomic design. An ergonomic design is one that will be comfortable and easy to handle for seniors. It should ideally have a wide handle and soft grip areas for easy turning without pain or discomfort. Tip 4. Consider the size of the jars to be opened. Some jar openers can handle a variety of jar sizes, from small spice jars to larger pickle jars. It can be beneficial to choose an adjustable jar opener that can fit multiple sizes. Tip 5. Remember safety. Make sure that the jar opener is designed in such a way that using it does not risk cutting or harming the user. It should be smooth, without sharp edges, and easy to control. Tip 6. Ask about easy installation. Some jar openers need to be mounted under a cabinet or on a wall, while others are handheld. Make sure that any necessary installation is something that you or the senior can manage easily. Tip 7. Read product reviews. Ensure to check out reviews from customers who've purchased the jar opener to get a true sense of its effectiveness and ease of use. Tip 8. Consider the storage. A jar opener should be small and lightweight for easy storage in a kitchen drawer or cabinet, unless you choose a mounted design, which should be installed in a convenient location. Tip 9. Think about price. You want a quality product that will last, but it's important not to spend more than necessary. There are plenty of highly rated, affordable jar openers for seniors available. Tip 10. Consider aesthetics. While functionality is the key consideration, it doesn't hurt if the jar opener also looks nice. Some jar openers are available in different colors or styles, so you could pick the one that matches the kitchen decor. Tip 11. Warranty and return policy. Finally, ensure that the product comes with a warranty and a hassle-free return policy. Even with careful consideration and research, the product might not be a fit for the individual's needs, and having a good return policy can be helpful.